Email's doing weird stuff on the computer, so let's watch.
That'll get your attention.
The time we live in. And I'm not just talking about 2000.
Revenge of the Sith.
Star Wars medal.
Hiring faculty who are still working in the fields they teach.
I just
And using new technologies to enhance learning. If an education could adapt to the way the world works today,
They got that on there twice.
education help the world to adapt and work better tomorrow.
Star Wars medal. I don't know.
University of Phoenix. Because an educated world is a better world.
Smooth skin? Not good enough. Now get baby smooth perfection with new Dream Smooth Mousse from Maybelline New York. Some makeup's like
Carlock.
Skin looks flawless.
Oh, shit.
Do the baby one again.
What's best ringtone? Let's see what that is.
Well, a refreshing burst of flavor in the new real fruit smoothies from Mac Cafe. Strawberries and bananas blended to perfection with creamy yogurt. A small for just $2.29.
Do the baby again?
Yeah.
Just one smile?
Okay, let's see. They got different comedy, classical, blues. I don't like no blues. Play Me. New version, baby rap. Doesn't sound new.
Same thing.
Okay.
You would get so annoyed with that ringtone, wouldn't you?
Mr. Bean Nokia. Okay.
He's our second vet. We can't win him.
Tom. Okay. Don't like that one. Hey, let's do the country ringtones. I can relate to those. I can relate to those a little better. Oh, gee. I don't see no country people there.
Yeah, I see Lil Wayne and
okay. Don't like that. Let's go back.
Katy Perry. You have to do the drop down. It's not gonna go back.
Drop down.
Yeah, like I did.
Why do I have to do that?
Because it's being dumb. No,
What do I
no,
do
no.
now?
Down, down, down.
Huh?
Down 2 more.
1, 2.
That one.
What did I do?
You went back.
Okay.
Previous pages.
Pretty intelligent with a computer. If you want to know anything about computers,
Just ask me, Mom.
that's right. I know all about them. And I lost where I wanted to go.
Country.
Shuck. Now I don't want to go there. It took me to the funky looking people. Rock. I
Me,
like
Mom.
rock.
Me, Mom.
Oh, the old rock and roll. What?
You know I've been filming you for the past 4 minutes.
Have you?
Yeah.
You love me, don't you? I lost something.
I love my Mom.
Elaine.
That's what she said.
Okay, other ringtone. How about rock and roll?
That one's gonna take you to the weird looking people.
Oh God, is that? How do I get to rock and roll? Jeez,
Hang on.
yes. Oh, that. There?
Yeah.
What's that?
Genre.
Genre?
Or you can click the list
Genre, okay.
of genre. You've never heard the word genre?
Genre. I can't pronounce it. Genre. Is that one in French thing? It won't.
Genre.
It just won't genre. See?
Genre?
Fix it. Make it do something.
Yes, ma'am.
Do something. Make it do something.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G?
Select.
Okay.
We got two bodies, right?
Oh, we're going to G. Is that for rock and
I
roll?
don't know. You want rock and roll?
Yes, I want rock and roll. The old rock and roll.
Look. Or. No, you probably want oldies.
That says rock. Does that not mean for rock and roll?
Might not be the rock you're looking for. Star Wars metal. Nokia Toon Rock. What's that?
I don't know. Find the Beatles. I like the Beatles. Okay.